Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where we craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I'll guide you through creating and bottling a love drawing oil, charging it with magical intent, and some suggestions for how to use the oil. Let's do some magical crafting. This beautiful blend will help attract loving energies into your life, whether you seek romantic love, self-love, or to deepen existing relationships. There are two ways to infuse oil with flowers and herbs. One method is to leave the oil to infuse for 4 weeks or more. The second method is the gentle heat infusion method. I'm using that method in this video. I start with a double boiler with a small pan of water and a double boiler with my carrier oil inside of it. I've chosen sweet almond oil due to its association with Mercury, the god of speed and communication. Almond oil is known for its quick effects. The magical properties of sweet almond oil include prosperity, wisdom, and attraction. I've found that sweet almond oil is a good oil to use in spells to attract things that you want. Begin by setting your intention. Take 3 deep breaths and envision yourself surrounded by loving energy as you place your herbs in your oil. For this magical working, I'm infusing 7 ingredients into my oil. Each one is carefully chosen for its magical properties. But as always, please use the ingredients you have access to. Feel free to leave out any items you don't have or are allergic to. Also, feel free to substitute any ingredients. The first ingredient is rose petals, which embody love in its purest form. Roses have been sacred to love goddesses throughout history. They bring unconditional love, healing for the heart, and help manifest your truest romantic desires. I'm also adding several drops of rose essential oil to boost the scent profile of roses to be dominant. As the oil heats up, the room will become suffused with the scent of roses. Next are hibiscus flowers. Known as the flower of love in many traditions, these vibrant blooms awaken passion, enhance psychic dreams about future love, and help remove obstacles blocking your path to deep emotional connections. Next are a few pinches of lavender flowers. Lavender is a powerful herb of love, harmony, and tranquility. It soothes the heart, heals emotional wounds, and attracts deep, lasting connections. Next are jasmine buds, sacred to the moon and divine feminine energy. They attract spiritual and profound love while enhancing intuition, helping you to realize true love when it appears. Jasmine also brings prophetic dreams and peaceful sleep. Pink peppercorns add warmth and excitement to any love working. They spark passion while maintaining harmony, and their gentle heat helps overcome emotional coldness or distance. They're also known for their protective qualities, ensuring any love drawn is pure and true. If you don't have pink peppercorns, ginger might substitute nicely. I'm adding vanilla extract and vanilla bean to bring sweetness and lasting happiness. Vanilla is a warm, sensual ingredient that enhances attraction and intimacy. Its sweet, comforting aroma evokes feelings of love, tenderness, and desire. In magic, vanilla draws in affectionate, genuine connections and deepens emotional and physical pleasure, making it a perfect addition to any love spell. If you don't have vanilla beans, a drop or two of honey might be a good substitution. I'm adding cinnamon sticks as well as a bit of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon's a powerful catalyst that speeds up the arrival of love. It's also associated with success and abundance, ensuring that the love drawn to you will be prosperous and enriching. In ancient traditions, cinnamon is believed to raise powerful spiritual vibrations while remaining grounded in earthly pleasure. As my flowers and spices infuse into the oil, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. Because I'm using the gentle heat method for infusion, I've placed my ingredients in my oil in a double boiler in a pot of water. I bring the water to a low simmer and let the magic begin to brew, keeping the water barely simmering for 2 hours and adding more water as needed. As your oil infuses, visualize it filling with pink and golden light. As I stir and infuse the oil, I charge it with my magical intent. By flower and spice, by warmth and light, bloom love's power soft and bright. Through petal, stem, and sacred fire, manifest my heart's desire. Love that's true and fair and free, as I will, so mote it be. After about 2 hours of infusion, the oil will be complete. I'm straining my oil through a coffee filter into a Pyrex cup. You can also use cheesecloth. Once the oil has all strained, I'm pouring it into my glass bottle. I've decided to seal and decorate my bottle with wax and glitter. There are many uses for this love drawing oil. You might anoint candles with it, add a few drops to your bath, or place a drop on your heart chakra while meditating on love. There are so many ways to work with your love drawing oil. One of the most traditional methods is to anoint a pink or red candle for attraction work. I like to carve my intentions into the candle before anointing it. Using just a small amount of the oil, coat the candle lightly and add herbs such as crushed rose petals or cinnamon powder. As the candle burns, the oil's energy mingles with the flame to carry your intentions outward. For self-love work, which is truly the foundation of all love magic, place a single drop over your heart chakra during your morning ritual. As you do this, look in the mirror and speak words of love and appreciation to yourself. This practice is especially powerful during the waxing moon. This love drawing oil can be worn on your pulse points whenever you wish to attract love or deepen an existing connection. Anoint love letters, photos, or candles to strengthen your spells, or place a few drops on your pillow to invite romantic dreams. You might also add 3 drops to your bath water, along with a handful of rose petals if you wish. As you soak, visualize yourself surrounded by a soft pink light of pure love and acceptance. This is particularly soothing when you need emotional healing or want to enhance your natural attractiveness. On days when I don't have time to draw a bath, I use this oil and rose petals in a foot bath instead. I envision myself walking in love as I submerge my feet into the warm, scented water. A lovely way to bring love's energy into your space is to add a drop into the water in a humidifier or diffuser. I like to change my light setting to pink or red to add color magic and envision loving energy flowing freely through these portals in my home. Remember that all love begins with self-love. Any magical tool works best when your intentions are clear and your heart is open, and any magical working for love should honor both your worth and the free will of others. May this oil bring warmth, joy, and the love you seek in all its beautiful forms. May your heart be open, your spirit be radiant, and your energy magnetic to all that is meant for you. Love flows to you, through you, and around you always.